Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video with Australia Towbar Performance. Today in front of me I have two different types of towbar hitches, one a winter and one a Westfalia. I want to touch on the Westfalia towbar. These guys have been in the industry since 1932, nearly a century long, and have been one of the industry leaders for as long worldwide. I wanted to touch on something that's a little different about this Westfalia towbar. It is easily detachable and retachable using this knob here on the side. I just want to go through detaching it and show you guys how easy it is to use. Come to the knob here, I'm going to pull it straight out, turn it clockwise, just like that. Hitch drops out. A little red key here locks it into place. Now it slides back in just as easy as it comes back out. You're back in, ready to tow. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Have a great weekend.